Welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare Kaju apple mandos. Start by taking red rice and soak it overnight. Here I have taken 5 Kaju apples with the seeds. So first you have to remove the seeds, cut the end portion and then cut the Kaju apple into small pieces so it is easier to grind. In a mixer grinder, add soaked and drained rice, Kaju apple pieces, along with grated coconut and some water. Grind it into a semi-thick batter consistency. Remove the batter in a bowl. Add grated palm jaggery, grated sugarcane jaggery, and mix well. Now add some salt and sugar. Mix it thoroughly. For this recipe I will be using traditional wood fire cooking. So in a vessel I have added ghee, that is your clarified butter, followed by pouring all the batter and then cover it with a lid, and you have to cook it on a very low heat. So in this case I have kept some fire on top of the lid as well, so it basically cooks from top and down. So you can see how it is done in this video, and it almost takes 1 hour to set it and to get in proper shape and cook it evenly. So this is basically a type of cake which is had during evening tea in Goa and specially made during Kaju season. So you can see once it's perfectly cooked, you can demold it in a separate plate and cut into small pieces and have it.